Generative AI models have had a significant impact on society and industries in several ways. Here are some of the most notable impacts. Entertainment and media. Generative AI models have revolutionized the entertainment and media industry by enabling the creation of highly realistic and immersive content, such as video games, virtual reality experiences, and movies. These models can create highly detailed and lifelike characters, environments, and special effects that were previously impossible or too expensive to create. Healthcare. Generative AI models have the potential to transform healthcare by facilitating the development of personalized medicine and more accurate diagnosis and treatment of diseases. These models can analyze large datasets of patient information and medical records to identify patterns and correlations that could lead to new treatments and cures. Education. Generative AI models can also be used to create personalized educational content for students. These models can analyze a student's learning style and create content tailored to their individual needs and preferences. Design and manufacturing. Generative AI models can be used to optimize designs and manufacturing processes. For example, these models can generate optimal designs for complex engineering systems, such as aircraft engines, and can help manufacturers identify potential defects and optimize production processes. Creative industries. Generative AI models have also impacted creative industries, such as music and art, by enabling the creation of new and innovative works. These models can generate music, visual art, and other forms of creative content, which can inspire new artistic directions and opportunities. However, with these benefits also come potential ethical concerns, such as the creation of fake content and the perpetuation of biases. For example, generative AI models can be used to create deepfakes, which are highly realistic but fake images or videos that can be used to manipulate public opinion or spread misinformation. Additionally, these models can perpetuate biases that exist in the data they were trained on, which can lead to discriminatory outcomes. Overall, generative AI models have had a significant impact on society and industries. While the benefits are numerous, it's important to carefully consider the potential ethical concerns and use these models responsibly to ensure they have a positive impact on society as a whole.